My name is Kalle Bjorn. I'm the Systems Engineering Director for Fortinet here in Middle East, based out of Dubai. Fortinet with Jijek today we're exhibiting mainly on the Fortinet Security Fabric. Fabric is a concept that we've already been marketing for quite a few years. The idea really is that if you look at customers' networks, you will probably find multiple different security vendors. In the past, the integration between these individual security vendors has always been very difficult. What the Fabric does, first of all, it allows our own products to integrate together with each other, mainly to relay threat information, details of an infected systems and such. But the real idea with the Fabric is really to take that one step further and do the integration with Fortinet products as well as the existing third-party other vendors' products that may exist in any of the customer networks. These two networks have been completely separated. Physical separation, no communication between each other. But if you look at today, information is extremely valuable. A lot of companies are requesting to have that access to the OT side of their network from the IT part. There's information that could be very useful for these companies. Now what this means is that these two separately built networks need to be somehow connected to each other. That brings in all kinds of risks as well, because when we start talking about operational technology environments, if something goes wrong, we're no longer talking about maybe a website being compromised or hacked, but it could lead into a loss of life in worst case. We've seen some power outages because of attacks against power grids. Imagine what it would do to an environment where traffic lights potentially could be switched off in a large city. So for us to exist in this environment, we need to have a product that understands the protocols that are used in these environments. The OT environment is not a standard IT environment. There are completely different types of protocols. So from Fortinet side, we've been developing a built-in functionality on the FortiGate product that basically allows it to understand these operational technology protocols. It can identify individual commands, and we can actually secure also the OT network. Now, important part is also the connectivity between these two environments, and that's where we can also deploy our security solutions. SD-WAN is an interesting subject. We have a lot of customers that are actually discussing about deploying an SD-WAN solution today. Main driver for SD-WAN, I would say, is really the cost. Plus, building up an environment that is available. You have a higher throughput, better availability, plus with potentially a lower cost. From Fortinet side, we have the standard FortiGate product, which has a built-in SD-WAN functionality. And we've even had third parties test our products for the SD-WAN functionality. NSS Labs recently released a study which basically confirmed that the product is an excellent solution for SD-WAN deployments.